Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is a new month, which means new hair. My pink has faded very nicely. It is almost white in some areas. I do have some regrowth coming in, but I do plan on doing a dark color for you guys today. Specifically a dark turquoisey kind of teal color. I wanted to do dark green, but I didn't have any dark green. I lost it somehow. But I just found some Manic Panic Enchanted Forest, and I'm pretty sure I put Atomic Turquoise in there in the past, so it was pretty blue, and I added what was left over of my Electric Lizard from the previous time I've used it, and this is the color I came up with. So first let's start by sectioning off my hair. Okay, my hair is all sectioned, so now let's start coloring it. I added some of my Tresemme White Color Protecting Conditioner in here as well, just to make more of the dye and to lighten it a little bit because it was a super dark color before I did that. Here's my hair all complete. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!